Good morning, my dear little children. How are you?
I am fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Super fine. Thank you so much. Now, presently we are dealing with the element issues lesson. Okay? So, in which we have so far finished related to the connective tissues, epithelial tissues, and nervous tissues in detail. And we will be learning in near future pertaining to the muscle tissues. Okay? Now, how we found different types of tissues among epithelial tissues and connective tissues and nerve tissue. In the same way, we will be also observing different kinds of muscle tissue. Okay? Now let us just read out what are the actually different types of muscle tissues are there. If we are going to learn them in detail, one is cardiac muscle, one of the muscle tissue, smooth muscle, and the skeletal muscle. Okay? Now today we are going to, with the help of a panel and diagram, we will be focusing on the location where actually different kinds of these element tissues present in the man. We will be actually locating where they are present. Okay? Now, you see. Now let us first of all focus on the nervous tissue location. So nervous tissue of the brain. Now what is this? This is a brain. Okay. So in which you observe this particular nervous tissue. Okay. Now nervous tissue of the spinal cord. So this is the spinal cord. Okay. Now in which you observe the nervous tissues, and these are the various nerves. What are they? These are the various nerves. Okay. Now these are the nervous tissue of the spinal cord. These are the various nerves. Okay. Now next look at the muscle tissue. Right. Now come to the point. Now just now we learned muscle tissues are of three types: cardiac muscle, smooth muscle,
Skeletal muscle.
skeletal muscle. Later we learn in detail about these types of muscle tissues in detail. Now presently we just check out the location. Now this is the cardiac muscle. So what is the another name for cardio? Cardio means heart. Okay. So cardiac muscle means our heart is one kind of muscle tissue, but it has its own name. What is the name of the muscle tissue present in the heart? Cardiac muscle. Okay. So the next is smooth muscle. Now just can anyone say where do you observe the smooth muscle in the
Stomach.
In the stomach region. Okay, in the stomach region. And what is the third muscle tissue?
Skeletal
muscle tissue. Now you can easily guess. You can make guess. So skeletal muscle is associated with the bones. It may be in the limbs or it may be present in different kinds of bones where they are present. Okay. Now particularly as far as the functioning of the muscle tissue is concerned, okay, precisely saying, muscle tissue always connect to bones. Okay, in order to make movements. And also muscle tissues gives enough strength to the skeletal system. It supports the body also. Are you following? Right. So next and also we learn in order to obtain the sufficient amount of mass, okay, present in the muscle and attain the proper appropriate growth, we should take proteinated food. To enhance the muscle growth, we have to consume the proteinated food item. Are you following? Okay. Later we learn about these three muscle tissues in detail. Next, we take epithelial tissue. Now let us actually see the location. So lining of already we have learned about the various kinds of epithelial tissues. Okay. So lining of gastrointestinal tract organ. These are present in the intestinal region. So we have already come across. Okay. Small intestine and large intestine. Okay. So these two actually can be together called as a gastrointestinal tract. in which we observe the epithelial tissue. Okay? Yeah. Next, you take and other hollow organs, skin, okay, and other hollow organs. Okay. Next, you see skin surface in which you observe the epidermis. Already we have different kinds of epidermis. Okay. And next, we learn about the. Already we have learned, but let us actually locate. So connective tissue. Connective tissue. In which one of the connective tissue already we learned which flows like a liquid. What is the name of the liquid which flows like a fluid? What is the name of the connective tissue that flows like a water?
Blood.
Blood tissue. Blood tissue.
Tissue.
Okay. Why do you call blood as a tissue? Why do you consider blood has cells? Very good. Blood has cells. Okay. Can you name the blood cells? How many cells are there in the blood? Three cells. Oh, three types. What are they?
Red blood cells,
Yeah.
white blood cells, plates.
Platelets. And then platelets. Very good. Now, can you tell now here? Now, fat and other soft fatty tissue also one of the connective tissue. Bone also already we have learned one of the connective tissue. Amma, bone also connective tissue. Tendon also is one of the connective tissue. In this way, so we can observe different kinds of tissues in the human body. Okay.